Hello sweetie, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute schoolgirl mermaid. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. Our schoolgirl mermaid has head, hair, body, arms and tail. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, body, arms and tail. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here at the top of the paper and draw a circle. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Then we're gonna draw the ears. C shape on the left side and backward C shape on the right side. Then let's draw a hairband. Draw a curve over here on the top of the head. I start over here near the ear and draw a curve to the right side. Okay, that's right, keep it up. Then we're gonna draw a hair. I start over here and draw a big rainbow shape. I start over here on the top of the ear. Draw a rainbow shape to the right ear. Then draw a curve over here in the middle of the headband. And another curve over here. Then let's draw two dots for your eyes, the first and the second. Backward C shape for nose, short horizontal line and small U shape for mouth, straight horizontal line inside the mouth for teeth and little curve on the bottom of the mouth for tongue. Then let's color this part of mouth. Leave teeth and tongue white. Draw 5 water drop shapes on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 water drop shapes on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like shell. Oh, you have a great line. Now let's draw the neck. I draw 2 vertical lines under the head, then a rectangle for body, horizontal line for shoulder, then 2 vertical lines on both sides and connect them. Then let's draw the tail. Draw sideways G shape to the left on the right side. Then small curve to the down over here and connect with this end. And let's add 2 leaf shape. 1, 2. That's the way. Good job. Now it's time to her arms. Draw 2 diagonal lines and connect them. Then oval for her palm on the left side. Then 2 diagonal lines to the up on the right side. Then connect them and oval for her palm. And let's add 1 finger, little over here, and let's add little oval over here on the top of the hand. Now let's draw short for our schoolgirl mermaid. Draw horizontal line inside the triangle, inside this shape. Then 2 small V shape over here. near the shoulder. Now let's finish her hair. Draw a curve over here. I start near the ear and draw a curve to the down. Then draw the same thing on the right side. And let's connect with the tail on the same level. Now let's add some texture of hair. Draw 2 curves inside the hair on the left side and 4 on the right side. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our mermaid is almost ready. All that's left to color it together. You can choose any color you like. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. I will see you drawing and answer to share your message. I choose beige for skin. You can choose any color you like. Tracing. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then coloring inside. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Oh, you're doing great. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then let's color her arms on the right side, on the left side, and then I choose pink for her hair. Tracing. This part is headband. Don't color it. On the top of her hair, and let's color this part of her hair. Oh, I like your mermaid. It's so pretty. You're doing great. Tracing again. And then coloring inside. If your hand is tired of coloring, put the video on the stop. You will rest and then we will continue to color together. Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. We trace around the edge again. Try not to go beyond the line. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Now I choose light pink for her blush. Red for her tongue. Oh, I forgot color this part of hair with pink color. Coloring this part. Then I choose blue and indigo for her tail and headband. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you. Tracing again. Then coloring inside. Tracing. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. The first step is tracing. The next step is coloring inside. Use short strokes. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Then draw vertical lines inside the headband with indigo marker and some horizontal lines inside this headband. Add curved lines that repeat the bend of the mermaid tail. Then draw perpendicular lines in the other direction to get a drawing of a chest tail on the tail. Okay, you're doing right. Okay, that's right. Keep on drawing. Wow, what a wonderful drawing! I like your mermaid. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you. Bye bye.